Oh, God. And I have to put with this fucking whiny ass bitch. Yeah, what do you want?
Why are you having such technical difficulties?
Well, why are you such a whiny ass bitch? Answer a question with a question there.
Because I'm trying to act like you, and it makes me feel good.
Yes, I know you're trying to recruit me. It's not going to happen. So you can take that flat ass and go somewhere else.
Take your technical difficulty somewhere else.
No, your flat ass can go somewhere else.
Baby, I got a hard ass. Where's Lisa?
So what do you want? I know you're trying to recruit me. I'm not going to go over there.
I'm trying to please come over to Wendy's.
No, I'm not.
Why? Why are you going to be like that?
Because you're being a fucking whiny ass.
No, I asked nicely. Can you please come over
to
Wendy's?
I know.
Please come over to Wendy. I'm asking nice.
I cannot stand the things that come out.
Hey, Dixie babe.
Why?
Hey, Daniel Barry.
I want to listen to that. I'll go to fucking. I'm done.
Come over to Wendy's.
No.
Please?
You bring Wendy over here.
No, I'll give you $10 if you come over to Wendy's.
What do you think? I'm a cheap ass?
I'll give you $10 if you come over to Wendy's.
Okay, 10,000.
No, come on.
Well, that's no deal then. Yeah, you bring Wendy over here. How about that?
She won't come over here. Not for $10. Not for $10, she won't.
Vultures. I know she's one of lurker fucking vultures. I already know that. That's a given.
Vulture? Who's a vulture?
All the lurkers are vultures.
Well, whatever.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to go over there, so you could just stop wasting your whiny ass breath. So you can take it or leave it.
Pick what? What's my offer? What's the offer?
And the most popular line, frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
All right, $15. Will you come over to Wendy's?
$200.
Corey.
Okay, $300. The more you're going to squirrel, the more it's going to go up. So take it or leave it.
I guess I'll leave it.
200.
You're not worth $200.
Well, then you're not worth my time.
Just please come over to Wendy's.
That's like a big hell no.
Why not?
I'll let you answer your own question on that one.
No, I don't know. I don't know why you won't come over.
Because I don't want to.
Why?
Because I don't want to, it's because of why. What part of that don't you understand? If you're going to buy me, if I'm going to be bought off, then I got a price. Okay, now it's $400.
I said $15.
Okay, now it's $500.
You're pathetic.
Well, I don't know. You're the one that's willing to put the bucks out, but you're not willing to pay.
I just want you to come over to Wendy's. Like, I'm not asking. Like, it's not that difficult. Like, you don't have to leave your you don't even have to leave your chair for you to come over to Wendy's.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I can't leave with that. Obviously, because we all are sitting in chairs.
Just come over. Like, you don't. You know what I mean?
Let me think about that. Oh, again, yes, no.
Just come over.
No, you bring Wendy over here.
She's going to want more than $15 to come over here. You're cheaper.
So you're willing to pay Wendy $500 to come over here, but not me $500?
I didn't say $500. I'd probably give Wendy like $25 to come over.
Well, then give her $25 to come over.
You really want me to? I can try.
Well, then when you give her $25, you give me $50 to allow her up.
What? I can barely hear you. Your audio is terrible tonight.
Oh, that's amazing. No, my audio is terrible all of a sudden. Now all of a sudden my audio is terrible. Which I know it's not.
It really, no, you sound terrible. You're clicking. It sounds absolutely terrible.
Yo! There you go.
You're clicking. You sound like you're in a tin can, for real. No, Fat Abe, Wendy is live right now. She's under Joe Wash Can't Shower for a Week channel. Like I was just on her channel 2 minutes ago. Her live, Wendy's live.
Yeah, I know my audio is not screwed up.
No, it really is bad. Like ask Fat Abe in chat. Like Fat Abe is.
You're gonna have to try better troll than that.
Corey, it really is bad. Ask.
Now shut the fuck up.
Shut up. That's better.
Well, then, if you're gonna pay $25 for her to come over here, then you can pay me $200 for the letter up.
I'm not paying you $200 if Wendy will take $25. That doesn't. Doesn't even make sense.
I mean, then it's up to me to let her up. Then you gotta pay me $200 to let her up.
Who's coming up with this 200? I never said 200. I said 25.
It's hustle and bustling, baby. You know what hustling and bustling is, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm hustling and bustling. So if you're willing to pay $25, you're willing to pay me $200 to let her up.
No, I never said 200.
Well, that's what we're going to agree on.
I didn't agree on 200. I said 25.
Well, then no, you're going to pay $25 to get her over here, but you're going to pay me $205 to get her over here. But you're going to pay me $200 to let her.
I never said I'd give you 200.
If you don't want to scuffle, then don't hustle.
Where are you coming up with these really corny phrases?
It's not corny phrases. It's wheeling and dealing, babe.
Please come over to Wendy's. I'll give you $15.
That's not going to happen. $200. Take it or leave it.
I'm not agreeing to 200 now.
Okay, well, then you leave it then. Not going over.
Yinzer.
Yinzer's, he's no longer to be around for some reason.
Yinzer.
Yinzer's,
not agreeing to 200 now.
Okay, well, then you leave it then. Not going over.
Can you let that short little cocksucker come up so I can talk to him and confront him on your panel?
Who?
Yinzer.
Yinzer's, he's no longer to be around for some reason.
I'll give you $15 if you let that short little cocksucker up.
$200.
Why do you keep going to this 200 benchmark?
Because it's an even number. $200.
Oh, I love Mike G. Let Mike G up. Let's go. Let's go, you short little fucking rooster, bantam rooster, fuck Yinzer. Come on. Come on.
Not
come on.
Yinzer.
No. He's in chat. He's in chat, you fucking wet brain. I'll give you $15 if you let that. He's in chat under Ventura Variety. I'll give you $15 if you let that short little fuck up for 5 minutes.
Okay. Dude,
I'll rip
Mike,
his guts out in 5 minutes. I'll rip his guts out in 5 minutes.
Dude, you really got to do something with your audio. It sucks.
Hi, Mike. Mike, why do you sound like you're in?
How does it sound now?
Go to audios.
$5 is if you let that little 5'2" bantam rooster up.
Well, the link is. And did I pin the link or did I fail to pin the link in it? So let me pin it.
Is it good enough or keep?
That's
Okay,
better.
that's
Hey, Cake.
That's better.
I'm sorry, guys. It's been a
You
very.
sound much better. Much better.
It's been a very exhausting night for me.
It has been an exhausting night. What happened? Tell Mama.